Hello and welcome to this tutorial on GoinGlobal. This tutorial will cover how to access GoinGlobal, what kind of information is available, and how to search career guides, jobs and internships, and employer directories. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. GoinGlobal is on this list. GoinGlobal includes country-specific information such as advice for finding employment opportunities, including business and networking groups, job search resources, cost of living data, and city career guides. GoinGlobal also includes H-1B employer petitions from the U.S. Department of Labor by location in the U.S. and Canada, and additional searches by job title, occupation, employer, wage, and more. This is the GoinGlobal homepage. Using the main navigation at the top of the page, you can browse career guides by country, global city, or U.S. city, search job postings and internships, find employer directories, and look for companies interested in hiring international talent. Let's take a look at the career guides. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll look at the global city career guides. From here, we're given a list of cities to choose from. Once you've selected a city, you'll find job search resources, hiring opportunities, resume and interview information, networking resources, and resources on living in the city you've selected, such as cost of living data and cultural advice. Next, let's take a look at the job search options. From the job search page, you can search by keyword, occupation, country, and/or city. For example, we can search for accounting jobs in Germany. Once you've entered your search criteria, you'll be given a list of results to browse. The internship search page works very similar to the job search page. Search by keyword, then select the country or city you're looking for, and click Search. If you're an international student, the H-1B visas page can help you search for companies that are looking to hire international talent. You just need to enter an occupation or job title and the year you're looking for. You can also search for specific companies or by city, state, or metro area. The employer directory can help you find detailed company profiles and contact information. This page allows you to search by industry or NAICS code, location, company, annual sales totals, and number of employees. Please note that most of the search pages include a search tips section you can use if you need more help using this resource. Now you know how to access GoinGlobal, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.